Hi students, welcome you to my channel. Today I will start a new lesson, electric charges and field. This is the first chapter. I have named this chapter as ECF 001. ECF indicates that electric charges and field. It is a first lesson. This is the first lesson of Karnataka PU board, and here the first concept, frictional electricity. Let us try to understand what is the meaning of frictional electricity. What does it mean? Frictional electricity indicates that. Here, first question, what is frictional electricity? When is a body said to be electrified or charged? What is frictional electricity? We should understand. Second point, when is a body said to be electrified or charged? Electrified or charged. Okay, let us try to explain that. See here, if a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, take a glass rod, take a silk cloth and rub glass rod with a silk cloth, or a fountain pen with coat sleeve, it is able to attract small pieces of paper, straw, lint, light, feathers, etc. So already I told that there is one attractive force developed. What is that attractive force actually, and how we can understand? Here you are getting similarly a plastic comb passed through a dry air can attract such light objects. Okay, so let us check whether it is correct or not. I will take paper pieces and I will take a comb. I will rub comb with dry air. When a comb passed over a dry ore, the comb attracts paper pieces. You can check here, paper pieces. Comb attracts the paper pieces. See how comb attracts the paper pieces. You can check that. See how it attracts. You can check how comb attracts the paper pieces. Check it. There is a paper pieces on comb. So once again we can do that. I will rub comb with air, and you can check how it attracts. See, there is attraction, paper pieces attached to the comb, and here we will say this is electrified. Now electrified. Okay, in all these objects or examples, we can say that the rubbed substance has become electrified or electrically charged. So what we can understand here, already I have shown one experiment. That in that experiment I have taken a comb, I passed comb through a dry hair, and paper pieces attracted. You can check it again if you want. I can show you again that experiment if anybody having that confusion of that. Check it is, there is a paper pieces kept, and I am rubbing the glass rod. I am rubbing the comb through the dry air, and through that dry air, comb rubbed with dry air attract the paper pieces like that. Paper pieces like that. See, there is attraction. Okay, there is attraction of the paper pieces like that. See, you can easily check now. Paper pieces sticked. Paper pieces sticked to the comb. Paper pieces sticked to the comb. You can check it. Okay, see here. So this is nothing but what happens when comb passed through a dry hair. It is electrified. It is because of friction that the substances get charged on rubbing. The process is rubbing. There is a charge developed. Because of that developed charge in the comb, it attracts small paper pieces. This is we are saying now it is electrified. Okay, let us try to check it. Go through, understand this concept once again. Okay, now let us try to understand what is the definition of the electricity. The property of the rubbed substances due to which they attract light objects is called electricity. The property of the rubbed substances due to which they attract light objects is called electricity. The electricity developed by rubbing or friction is called frictional or static electricity. So the electricity developed by rubbing or friction is called frictional or static electricity. Now let us understand this very clearly. The rubbed substances which show this property of attraction are said to have become electrified or electrically charged. What we are calling the rubbed substances which show this property of attraction are said to have become electrified or electrically charged. Now we understood very clearly what is frictional electricity. Frictional electricity. Okay. Second question here. Give a historical view of frictional electricity. From where did the term electricity get its origin? What is the origin of that word electricity, and what is the history of frictional electricity? So if you are eager to get the answer for this question, please watch next video. Video number ECF002, Electric Charges and Field 002. Subscribe, like, bell, comment for my next videos. Thanks for watching.